There are different factors which affects acceleration due to gravity. This acceleration due to gravity, we know it is denoted by g, and this g, value of g, depends upon different factors. What are those factors? Number one, radius of the earth. Radius of the earth. One of the factor which affects g is radius of the earth, which can be denoted by capital R. And second factor which affects the acceleration due to gravity is height from the surface of the earth. Height from the surface of the earth. Height from the surface of the earth, which can be denoted by small h. It means if this is earth, we know that earth is flattened at its pole but bulged at equator. It is bulged in these two sides but flattened at the poles. These poles are flattened but this equator is bulged. That's why polar radius is less, equatorial radius is more, and it depends upon radius. According to the difference of radius, it varies from place to place. If radius is less, what is found? G is more, because look at this, at pole radius is less and that's why G is more, but at equator radius is more, that's why G is less. And second point, what I mentioned just now, height from the surface of the earth. Value of G is maximum on the surface of the earth. At this place, the surface of the earth, it is maximum. And if we go to height, let's say that this height, then this is the height through which we are going up. As we go to the height, G decreases. And there are other factors also. Number three, third factor, depth from the surface of the earth. Depth from the surface of the earth. What is the meaning of this depth from the surface of the earth, which can be denoted by D? Value of G is maximum on the surface of the earth. If we go to the depth at this place, this is the depth through which we are going inside the earth. At this place, the value of G will be less, but at this place, value of G will be more. That's why as we go down into the earth, value of G goes on decreasing. And there is another factor also which affects the value of G. This is rotation of the earth. Rotation of the earth. What it means? Earth is rotating around its axis like this. Earth is rotating around its axis from west to east. And because of this rotation, the value of G is less than its real value. This way we can say that there are four major factors which affects the value of G. The average value of G on the surface of the earth is taken as 9.8 meter per second square. This value is true for 45-degree latitude, but it is taken as average value of the G on the surface of the earth, but it varies from place to place. It is more at pole. At pole, its value is 9.83 meter per second square, but at equator, at this place, its value is 9.78 meter per second square, because it depends upon radius. Radius is more, G is less. Here it is more, that's why value of G at this place is less, and radius is less, G is more. It means it depends upon radius. If radius is more, G will be less. If radius is less, G will be more. And second point, it depends upon height from the surface of the earth. If we go to greater height, G will be less, and it is maximum on the earth's surface. Another point is depth from the surface of the earth. G is maximum on the surface of the earth. As we go to the greater depth, the value of G goes on decreasing. And it also depends on rotation of the earth. Because of the earth's rotation, value of G is always less than its real value. These are the four major factors on which the acceleration due to gravity, that is G, depends.